Okay, we'll be back for today's edition. As I said earlier on, today we shall be doing the actual work of Direct Online, and then here I have the component which are making up the work for Direct Online. So the first thing here which I have is breakers. This one is okay. After that we are having our contactor. Since it is Direct Online, we shall use one. Then we have EOCR. Instead of us using an overload relay, we shall be using EOCR, which is here. We also have an auxiliary relay, which is here. Then we have a single breaker. Just a breaker for control system. This is control breaker, is here. So we have push button, that is the stop and start. There are two. One is for normally close and this one is normally open. They're here. And also we have the indicator lights. We said the blue light is going to show that motor is running. The red light is going to show that there is power in the system. Then we have the green light showing that there is a trip. Then we have this at the box. These are the box for the push buttons and the indicator lights. Then we have our cables. These are the cables which we shall be using. For power line we shall use 2.5 millimeter. Then for the control system we shall use 1.5 millimeter. Then here these are our tools which I shall be using to the work. And we have also here, these are the rails which are there. Also multimeter and also tape measure. So generally these are the tools which we shall be using for the work. Okay, here we are. So this is a rail which we're having, and then these are the breakers and contactors, the EOCR, these are the indicator lights, the push button, and this is how I've arranged it. So I will be now doing the rail wiring. I'll start with the power line. After the power line, the control system. Okay, so come. Here, this is our power line. We're going to see that this one is going to be the supply cable from here to the breaker, and then from the breaker to the contactor, and then the output is this side. So this is how our power line is going to be. So then from here, I'm going to be continuing with the control system, whereby I will take power from here. I feed to the control breaker for the control system. Then I feed the EOCR. Then from the EOCR, the connection continues. So this is how it's going to be. Here now, after connecting your power line, we are going to take power from the output of the breaker. You feed the control breaker. Then here you pick the output. You bring it to the coil of the EOCR. Then to energize the coil. Then from